guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI with face swap to create professional photo or picture like this one that you are seeing here. So you can use these tools to create professional photos like this one, 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 and this one. Okay, so to do this, to achieve this, is very simple and straightforward. You just need to follow this tutorial step by step so that we do it. I'm not going to take much of your time, so let's go straight to how can get it. So the first thing you need to do is to come to Meta AI. You type a prompt like this one. Give me a picture of a young male fair African pastor. He should dress in suit, smiling face, and holding a mic. Now, if you want something like for a digital marketer, you can equally give a prompt like this one. Hi, please give me a picture of an African professional male digital marketer. He should be fair in color. So you give a prompt related to what you want. So Meta AI will give you pictures like this one. Okay, high resolution pictures, high quality pictures. So when you finally get the one that match what you want to do, you now go to Google Chrome, you type face swap. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Okay, face swap online free. You click on it. It is also an AI tool that you can use to swap faces and do other things. So when you are in this face swap or remaker AI, you click here and you upload the picture you downloaded from Meta AI. Okay, so I choose this one. This is the one I want to use. You see this one, right? You click on it and it will load here. Okay, the next thing, upload target face. You upload your face that you snap using your phone. Don't bother about the quality, don't bother about anything. Just upload your face like this one. Okay, upload your face. Is loading. It's loading, is uploading my face. Okay, good. It has uploaded. Okay, once you upload this one and this one, this target, upload target face, you click on swap. Okay, it's working. It's working. It's working. So you will see how it's going to come out. Just be patient. It's working, it's working, it's working, it's working. Yes, this is it. Good. So this is what came out, right? You take download. You take open. You see? So wow, so beautiful. This tool has completely changed the face in this picture and replaced with my own, right? So you can use this one now. If you like to remove background, you use other tools to remove the background. Okay, if not, you can use it like this as your professional photo. Okay, let me show you some other professional pictures. This one was created using face swap and Meta AI. This one using face swap and Meta AI, and this is